Hello everyone. So in this media we are going to discuss about the difference between con rod, that is connecting rod of two-stroke engine versus the connecting rod of four-stroke engine. Okay. So we'll see in detail and I'll be explaining you the topics. Okay, I have compiled here from different sources and material, different reference books, and we'll try and discuss. I have just written the keywords here in this media, and I will explaining you in detail about that. Okay. So when we speak about connecting rod of two-stroke engine versus connecting rod of four-stroke engine, and please remember that this question was directly asked by the surveyor in MEO class 2 exams. Okay, so here we'll see all these things. Now when we speak about two-stroke engine, so two-stroke conrod has split ends at the both side, whereas four-stroke has split ends at the bottom only. Okay, so two stroke has split ends at both sides and four stroke engine has split ends at the bottom only. Now, I shape conrod in auxiliary engine and H shape conrod in main engine. Okay, we also will discuss in detail about the strength part of I shape and H shape, why here we have I shape and why here we have H shape. Okay, oblique cut to facilitate bigger dia big end bearing and easy removal through line section while overall a four stroke engine. Okay, so that is the key part here. Also here one thing you should know and note. One thing we should note here is cylinder bore is less of lesser dia in four stroke. Cylinder bore is less of lesser dia in four stroke engine. Now see, four-stroke engine, that speed is more. So con rod high moment of inertia. So connecting rod will have high moment of inertia. So here we have what is known as your I-shaped in auxiliary engine. Okay. Now oblique cut we have already discussed. Okay. Now that is the reason why it is having more strength. We'll discuss more in detail about the strength aspect, and relatively lesser strength because they are high speed engine, four-stroke engine. They are slow speed engines, so relatively we have this aspect. Higher whiplash effect due to complicated state reversal. Now when we speak about serration, so in four stroke engine on rod we can do DPT in serration. See, die penetration test we are doing, okay, in four stroke engine, and check, and we can through it we can check the telescopic pipe using mandrel for any bends on the connecting rod. So we can check these things we are doing when we are doing the decal of the generator. Now when we speak about this in four stroke engine, okay, in four stroke conrod is attached to piston, and then we have gudgeon pin. In two stroke conrod attached to piston rod and then bottom part. Okay, now what is important to note here is no serration in main engine con rod as it is not directly loaded as compared to a four-stroke engine. Okay, why we don't have serration here? Because these steps, they are linked to each other. So no serration in main engine con rod as it is not directly loaded as compared to four-stroke engine and is kept in alignment with the help of crosshead. So as it is kept in alignment with the four-stroke engine with the help of crosshead, because here we have crosshead. Now when we speak about load path in two-stroke engine, so we have gas pressure directly acting from the combustion chamber, then we have that goes to the piston and that will go to the crosshead, and then we have crosshead pin, which is not in the case of four-stroke engine. Okay, crosshead pin, and then we have connecting rod, and then finally it comes to the crankshaft. Okay, crosshead also takes the firing load and distribute it by time it reaches connecting rod. It is not so significant that it will affect con rod bottom. Also, it is maintaining engine alignment, so there is no need of serration, as serration function to align and take direct load of the piston and provide additional surface load and prevent this load from transferring to the bolts as done in four stroke engine. Okay, In 4-stroke engine, it is directly loaded. So I have explained you why serration was there, and that is the reason why this load part is coming in picture in your 4-stroke engine. So by the time it is reaching to the crankshaft, it is negligible. The amount that is coming here, it is relatively negligible. Okay, so we have discussed all the points of connecting rod, the difference between the con rod of 2-stroke engine and connecting rod of 4-stroke engine. So 2-stroke con rod has split ends at the both side, whereas 4-stroke split ends at the bottom only. I-shaped con rod in AE and H shape in main engine, oblique cut to facilitate bigger dia big end bearing and easy removal through line section, while overall of 4-stroke. Okay, cylinder bowl is less of lesser dia in 4-stroke. Speed of piston is more, so con rod high moment of inertia, so I section will give more strength. Serration we also speak about serration, high wedge splashing effect due to complicated stress reversal. In checks of 4-stroke con rod, we can do DPT in serration and check the telescopic pipes using mandrel for any bends on con rod. In 4-stroke con rod attached to the piston, and then we have gudgeon pin. In 2-stroke con rod, connecting rod, it is attached to piston rod, and then we have bottom part. We don't have any serration in main engine con rod as it is not directly loaded as compared to 4-stroke engine and is kept in alignment with the help of crosshead. Load path we spoke about load path, that is load path in 2-stroke is gas pressure, then we have piston, then it is acting to the crosshead, then we have crosshead pin, then we have connecting rod, and finally crankshaft. Crosshead also takes the firing load, distribute it by time to time it reaches con rod. It is not so significant as we already said. Okay, significant that it will affect con rod bottom. Also it is maintaining engine alignment, so there is no need of serration, as serration function to align and take direct load of the piston and provide additional surface area for load distribution, and also takes shearing load and prevent this load from transferring to the bolts. So as it is done in the case of 4-stroke engine, so it will, as it is directly loaded 4-stroke engine, so the load will also come on your what is known as the bolts. Okay, thank you so much, all the very best.